What's up everyone, it's TEKTHRILL and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI engineering, but more specifically, we're tackling some of the biggest myths surrounding this rapidly growing field. So, if you've ever wondered if you need a PhD to code a neural network, or if robots are coming for your job, you've come to the right place. Get ready to separate fact from fiction as we debunk 3 common AI engineering myths. We're talking hashtag myth-busting and hashtag truth revealed, right here, right now. AI is everywhere these days, and with its rise in popularity comes a whole lot of misconceptions. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or even intimidated by the technical jargon and the sheer scale of it all. But trust me, a lot of what you hear about AI, especially when it comes to building a career in the field, is simply not true. So, whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast, a student considering your options, or just someone curious about the future of technology, stick around because we're about to break down these myths and give you the real deal on what it takes to thrive in the world of AI. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into it with our first myth. You need a PhD to be an AI engineer. Now, while it's true that having a strong academic background in computer science, mathematics, or a related field can give you a solid foundation, it's not the be-all and end-all. The AI field is incredibly dynamic, and it's constantly evolving. Think about it. Even the most prestigious PhD programs can't keep up with every single advancement happening in real time. That's where practical experience, adaptability, and a passion for learning come in. We're seeing more and more successful AI engineers coming from diverse backgrounds. Boot camps, online courses, and self-directed learning are becoming increasingly popular and effective ways to gain the skills you need. Companies are looking for individuals who can solve real-world problems using AI, and that often comes down to creativity, critical thinking, and hands-on experience with different tools and technologies. Don't get me wrong, a PhD can definitely open doors, especially for research-oriented roles, but it's not the only path. The key takeaway here is that your journey into AI can be just as unique as your fingerprint. So if you're passionate about AI, don't let this myth hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Myth number 2 is a classic, and it's one we hear all the time. AI is going to replace all the jobs. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the robot in the factory. Yes, AI will inevitably automate certain tasks and even entire job roles, just like previous technological advancements have done throughout history. But here's the crucial difference. AI is also creating a ton of new job opportunities. We're talking about roles we can't even